Hello and welcome. My name is Melody from Melody Crochet, and today I'm going to be showing you the half double crochet decrease. It also goes by the name half double crochet 2 together or decrease half double crochet, but they all mean the same thing. You're going to be taking one of these little V's off for the next row. So chain 2, in this case because I'm ending in a row, and turn. And now I'm going to be ready to do the stitch. All you do is yarn over, insert into the stitch that is next, yarn over and draw up a loop. 3 stitches on your hook, yarn over, pull under just 2 of them. And yarn over, insert, yarn over, draw up a loop. You now have 4 stitches on your hook, yarn over, pull under absolutely all of them. Now you're going to complete the row with some half double crochets, or I am. You might have different stuff going on in your pattern, but I do want to show you what it looks like at the end of the row so you get a feel for why it's good and what it's needed for accomplishing. It's also great for decreasing at the top of a hat if you're working in the round. I'm going to chain 2 and turn and come back to the place we were. This is where we did our little decrease. So I'm yarning over and I'm going to go until we have 2 stitches left at the end of the row. Okay, so we have 2 stitches left at the end of this row. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch. Yarn over, draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull under 2. Then in the next one, which is our little decrease, you're going to yarn over, insert into the top of that decrease, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull under absolutely everything on your hook. Now I'm going to chain 2 just to get away from the work a little bit. And I'm going to half double crochet at each stitch across. This is just for visual though, because you're going to see just how much we've taken away by only taking 2 stitches out of the process. There we go. Come here, mister. Okay. So here is our piece. Here is our decreases. See how small it got in just 2 decreased stitches? This is the power of your decreased half double crochet. It's a nice bulky stitch, so when you take one away, you really take quite a bit of size away very, very quickly. And it's so pretty. There's some other ways you might see people doing the half double crochet decrease, but this is my absolute favorite and my go-to, even if a pattern tells me to do different. I just think it's a lot prettier. So thank you for joining me for Melody Crochet Basics. If you have any questions or comments or stitches that you'd like to see me share, I would love to hear about that down in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with another Melody Crochet Basics. Take good care. Bye!